Deep Impact. Sacking up. Horses out. We have Belia Bandera. Pass to begin. Moving a party outside. Go Dream Go. Next on line, Newsmaker. Shut Up is running by Drell. Then followed by Bachelor of Arts, Deep Impact, Mana Mana, while B, Faithful is the early trailer. As they leave the straight, we have Belia Bandera by about 2 lengths. Go Dream Go in second. Then Interlottie outside, Newsmaker. Then followed by Shut Up. Next on line comes Bachelor of Arts. As they swing down the back, we have Belia Bandera by only a length and a half. Then here comes Go Dream Go, now coming closer in second. Newsmaker in third, and in fourth, Shut Up, Bachelor of Arts in fifth. This time, 3 and 3, spiring it out for the lead. Go Dream Go takes the lead, moving a party outside. Newsmaker, Belia Bandera, Shut Up, Bachelor of Arts also coming into the picture. Now 2 and 3, spiring it out for the lead. Go Dream Go is running by Drell. Newsmaker on the outside to take the lead. It's now Newsmaker. Go Dream Go in second. Moving up on the outside now is Bachelor of Arts. As they come down at the last 200. Newsmaker, the leader, moving up on the outside now is Bachelor of Arts. Go Dream Go in the middle. Shut Up is running by Drell. Last 100 meters, we are Bachelor of Arts, followed by Newsmaker, and finally it's Bachelor of Arts. Newsmaker, Shut Up, Go Dream Go.